Hello traders, 15th of May 2017, it is about 20 past 9. I am absolutely knackered. I've done a full day's work. I've got a sore throat, feel ill, shattered, blah blah blah. I've been doing a lot of work on the weekend, excuse my hair. And yeah, I have just spent the last 3 hours updating all my trades on the website because we had website problems, which killed me, and I've been logging everything in OneNote, and I've just gone through and added everything back to the website, which has been tiring. But I have to say thank you to this man here. This man is Jimbo, who is my web guy, web new media guy, we like to call him. He's an amazing developer, and I pay him in beer, and he managed to fix Showboating Trader, because whilst I used to be a tech head, I am losing my touch. Anyway, he's been in there and ironed it all out. So Jimbo, we fully salute you, man. Thank you very much. And I hope you like that beer. Anyway, can't stare at Jimbo all day, although I might leave that on all of my screens for the next week. Wicked. Don't worry about it, Jimbo. I'm perfectly normal. You for one, no, I'm not. Anyway, so what's been going on? A couple of losses last week, nothing too horrendous. Actually, no, I didn't have a couple of losses. I had one loss of 25 and a couple of break-evens, basically. So 0.25% down, I can handle that. Not going to go into what they were now. You know, now I'm back in business, I will try and add a bit more value to this. But at the same time, I want to try and keep these things as short as possible. And I'm sure looking back at my trades, which are bust out, isn't the most efficient thing for you guys. But I am 5.28% down after being 6 down. So things aren't too bad. Right, going forward, what have we got? So the only thing I've got open at the moment is silver trade. Sorry, let me whack that onto daily, and we'll have this as the 8-hour. So I've got silver open, XAGUSD. So silver here. So yeah, silver's had a nice run of it. I got in basically. I got in a crap position, to be honest. So I was looking at the 2 hourly. I got clipped in horrendously. Ignore the second trade. Just look at the first one for now. Yeah, I literally got pipped in, and the market went straight back of me. And I have got in where I would have got in on a 2-hour chart here, but it was poor execution on my part, basically. I didn't like that. I had the order hanging around because I had it up here from another trade I was working on. Anyway, yeah, I've ended up getting in far too early, but at a price where I could have done on the 2-hour chart. So a bit of a slap on the wrist for me there. As for how this is panning out, looks to me like it's made its move. It's pulling back on a bit of a retracement, and I put a second position in here whilst moving my stops up. So I moved the stop up on first trade from 0.25% risk to about 0.07, and then I put another position on to make it overall 0.25 again. So yeah, with my aim is that this will just run. If not, I lose 0.25% plus the roll, so maybe heading on for 0.3, but nothing too bad. So yeah, silver's worth having a look at. Yeah, we're really shaping up for a nice buy here. So I hope, and you know, I'm aiming for it to run. So that's that sucker. What else have we got going on? Yeah, wow, man. I just looked at the UK 100 accidentally earlier on. Well, accidentally, it was open. We're at the highest highs ever of the FTSE 100. So yeah, record breaking. Shows you how excellent the economy is at the moment. Any of you that watch me that would think that's probably bullshit. Jappy, yeah, so I've actually got a short on the Jappy 225, which isn't something I trade very often, if I ever have, actually. But yeah, so looking at this, like seeing this is coming up for a sell. We've got support here as well from a support and resistance position. So I am hoping I just get clipped in and then we go south again, similar to what it did down here. May or may not work. If it does, it's a mega trade of 0.21% risk to making it, well, it'll be about 1.8%, I guess. Whether that will pay off, I don't know, but it's like massive triple R, so that's what I'm playing on it. GBP order, what was that? Yeah, GBP Jappy. GBP Jappy. Can't even remember it. What have we got going here? Yeah, so we've got a daily sell signal here. And it's retraced, and I'm just basically saying if it comes back down to this level, off we go again. So this will be a trailing trade, but I like to put a limit in just in case for some reason we get a massive move. So that is that one. Yeah, sorry, I've just looked over onto my 2 hour. So my entry point is on a resistance level where it could have pulled back to, and it's below these kind of peaks here. So if it comes back down here, I'm taking it as confirmation that we're back in the trade south. So make of that what you will. So that's all I've got going on notes wise. News wise, what have we got in here? I don't know what that is. I should probably check that out. Some Euro news tomorrow. And Aussie dollar stuff. Yeah, and then classic ECB stuff coming out. So yeah, that's what I've got going on at the moment. Nothing too much, but I'm back in business on the website. I've been doing, as I say, I've been doing lots to get that moving forward. But yeah, we'll call it a day there, which is only 6 minutes of your time. I hope there's some value in it. If you do like it, please like it on YouTube, like it on Facebook, because it makes me feel loved. And yeah, that's what I'm doing it for. Love. Anyway, thank you, Jimbo. Thank you all for watching, anyone that did watch. And I hope you have a great week and keep living the dream. Live the dream.